Gawa tayo ng snacks. Tapos tatanggalin yung mga buto. 2 boiled eggs, 1 can of tuna, pepper, a little bit of fish sauce, mayo, and sriracha. Optional to guys, dahil gusto ko lang maanghang. And then, mix lang natin. Pwede tong snacks, pwede rin tong meal before mag-workout. And actually minsan ginagawa ko rin 'tong dinner ko.